Good. Hi, I'm Sister Luca. I believe each one of us is personally called by God, and Word Tuesday is a great opportunity for you to discover what God wants of you, just like I did. When I heard about Word Tuesday for the first time, I was only 16 years old, but I knew I wanted to be part of it. I was searching for deeper meaning in my life, at school, in social activities, as well as in my faith. The Word Tuesday journey changed my life, especially traveling with my youth group. I got to know some great friends who accepted me as I am. The enthusiasm I received at Word Tuesday remained with me for a long time, and slowly it became clear to me to whom and where I belong, to God alone. I pray that through Word Tuesday you receive strength to say yes and follow God's call.